Dr. Huebner, I'm here with Quinita at 1 year. Happy edgeaversary, Quinita. Thank you for showing your progress. As you know, she had some hair loss before, as you can see in the pictures, but what a transformation. I'm super happy for her. And thank you. She's putting up with our videos problems today, so thanks for your patience with this. This is really going to help some people. Before we talk about it, let's have you just show your hair off real quick again, maybe just from the top. Great. And then let's do the left and right sides. Look at that cool little part she's doing there on the right side. That's awesome. Look at the before and after there. Amazing. And let's see the other side. Yes. Wow. She was saying earlier when we were talking about how, the process of it coming in, you have to be patient. It's a little crazy when...
I think we all think that it's failed because we're not seeing anything, but you really have to trust the process. When when they start growing in, they're going to be sprouting all over the place. So just be patient. They're coming.
Nice.
Your procedure has not failed. You just have to be patient.
That's right. And obviously a permanent change, a permanent improvement for you, which I'm sure gives you more confidence going out and wearing styles that you probably haven't worn in a while.
Well, we've been quarantined for, since I've had hair. But when I come in contact with people, like I have a neighbor that, suffers from hair loss. I took you guys up. I show my procedure day. I am completely honest with them about it, like how easy it is to finance it if they choose to. And like I told you before, the only thing negative that I had to say was that I wish I had done it sooner. That is the absolute only thing that...
Amazing. I'm glad you finally found someone to get it done for you, and the results speak for themselves. You would do it again in a heartbeat, I guess.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Well, happy edgeaversary. Go ahead, sorry?
Yes, I would do it.
Okay, awesome. Happy edgeaversary, and thank you again for showing your results and paying it forward to the next person that's going to use this and use you as one of their role models, I guess, for their hair. So,
no problem.
Thanks so much.
All right.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.